Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how you can add or update your payment method on AiSensy. So there are two ways how you can do it. First of all, you need to have the admin access of the platform, right? If you're a manager or an agent, you won't be able to update these two things because all the billing rights are with the admins. So once you log into the platform with admin access, you can click on explore plans, scroll down, and there's a payment method which you can update from here. Or you can go to manage, go to billings and usage. There's also a payment methods button here. You can click on update and you can check out what exactly is your current payment method. So you can see this is my two cards. I can click on add a new card and make it primary. So currently my primary payment method is this, which is ending with 5004. If I need to make any changes to this card, I can make any changes to this card also. But for example, I want to add new. So I can add a new card here, or I can add, let's suppose, a UPI here. Let's suppose Mohit Dua email is this. UPI ID, it's, let's suppose, mdua at the rate OKSPI bank. I'm just putting it some random. And I click on this. So it will ask me for a UPI verification. Once I verify it, this payment method will get updated. Or in case I want to update any payment method with respect to my card, so I can click on update. I can change any of the existing payment methods. That is also possible. Just put in the details here, card details, and it will change my payment method. For example, I want to put in this. I can put in my card details, I can put my expiry, CVV, and once done, I can click on update and it will update my payment method. So this is how simply you can update your payment methods on AiSensy. Thank you so much.